Kenara. Kenara.
Genocide in East Turkestan. We would like to present you this letter to the Associate Director we're also sending a similar letter to the White House and the State Department addressing us. In the United States, we have about 10,000 to 15,000 people. Roughly half of them, have received, their green cards and so forth. But we still have thousands that have not, received, their green card. In fact, thousands, their asylum applications have been for years. Some here, their asylum applications have been pending for almost a decade. And this is creating a lot of problems, physical, financial, and economic problems for members of our community and even, our organizations. A lot of stress on them because, as a result of this, they're not able to, even get their work permits. They're not able to get, decent jobs. They're not able to get access to healthcare or education. The United States government has already recognized the atrocities of the genocide. They're granting refuge to other people like Afghans, Syrians, other people like even Hong Kongers. So we ask them to, to make this a priority. And we have a list of everyone here. The list of everyone here with their name and their asylum case numbers. Everyone here, aside from myself, everyone here has, that's still pending their application for years. So this is a very important issue to us. And I hope this is a very important issue for the United States as well. So we'd like to, ask you to urge for example, this individual, he doesn't even have a work permit yet. He has, 5 children. He doesn't even have social, and he's having difficulty, even trying to provide for his family. Our organization, we're trying to do our best to ensure that no one in our community is homeless and no one is, in a very, tough situation. But even with us, with limited funding and, there's little that we can do. So we're hoping that the United States government seriously addresses this issue. We'd like to submit this letter along with the asylum cases of everybody that's here. Because of the pressure of our community, we decided to do this demonstration because many members of our community were saying, we want to go there and stay there, even if we have to stay there for weeks, every day, until we can get their attention to address our issue. So that's all we'd like to say. We're deeply grateful for everything that the United States government has been doing for our people, for everything that they are continuing to do to raise our issue, to stop the ongoing atrocities and genocide in East Turkestan. But if we can't save the Uyghurs in East Turkestan, at least let's try to save the Uyghurs that are already out of East Turkestan. Those that are here, we have thousands of Uyghurs in the Middle East, in Central Asia, in Southeast Asia that are being, deported into concentration camps. And these are, this is a humanitarian crisis. This is a refugee crisis that needs to be addressed at the highest level, with greater urgency. We were able to convince Senator Rubio and Senator Chris Smith to introduce the Uyghur Human Rights Protection Act, but because bills in Congress, they take a long time to get passed. Even with the Uyghur Human Rights Policy Act, it took us 3 years to get that passed. The Uyghur Forced Labor Prevention Act, it's been stuck in Congress for 2 years. And this Uyghur Human Rights Protection Act, which would deal with the refugee issue, it was just recently introduced in October, and so it's going to take, in April. So it's going to take a while for that to, finally become law. So we can't wait that long. Many of our community members are affected, and this is just a small number of thousands that are, across the United States that are not able to make it here. So if you could please, accept our plea and try to help us, that would be greatly appreciated. And here's individual.
so much.
Family piece.
Thank you.
And then this is from a gift from us. I believe the GoPro. Thank you so much.
I can't accept the gift though.